हमने इंडियन मार्केट में मिलने वाले 1000 रुपीज से ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव विटामिन सी सीरम का डिटेल एनालिसिस किया, इंग्रेडिएंट, फॉर्मुलेशन, पैकिंग एंड स्टेबिलिटी। तो कौन सा ऐसा एक्सपेंसिव विटामिन सी सीरम है जो आपके लिए सच में अच्छा है, ये आपको इस वीडियो के एंड में पता चल ही जाएगा। पर हम पहले शुरू करेंगे उन विटामिन सी सीरम से जो लीस्ट पोटेंट कैटेगरी को बिलोंग करते हैं।
कैटेगरी डी में वो विटामिन सी सीरम आते हैं जिसमें डला है कंपाउंड ऑफ फॉर्म ऑफ विटामिन सी। इनफैक्ट सादेव और सेरको में तो वो भी नहीं डला है। दे जस्ट यूज नेचुरल एक्सट्रैक्ट एंड क्लेम टू बी विटामिन सी सीरम। एमिनो रेडियंस फेस ऑयल uses a compound form of vitamin C which comes lower in the ingredient list but claims to have a next gen vitamin C effect. When it comes to dull, dry and mature skin, your choice could be Elizabeth Arden's vitamin C capsule. For acne prone skin, you can start your journey with Ciol Ceuticals vitamin C serum or The Ordinary's ascorbyl glucoside serum because these compound forms are acne friendly. Toradol serum में है 5 तरह के vitamin C serum but बहुत ही low concentration में। ये भी आप beginners में यूज कर सकते हैं, especially if you are very new to vitamin C.
कैटेगरी सी में वो विटामिन सी सीरम है जिसमें अराउंड 10% इथाइल एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड डला है। If your skin is slightly sensitive, you can opt for Beauty of Jason. If you're looking for anti-aging and skin repair, then clearly Sesderma C-Vit can be your option because it has liposomal vitamin C along with anti-aging ingredients and a very strong antioxidant blend. It outperforms the Dermaco serum. If your target is skin brightening, then the Formula RX is much better than Innisfree because it also has 2% alpha-arbutin and acetyl glucosamine. But frankly, Wishcare has a better skin brightening action at a lower price point.
Next आता है कैटेगरी बी सीरम जिसमें डला है 15-25% इथाइल एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड. This is good for those who can tolerate 10% vitamin C and they want to upgrade their journey. They can start with the IndieWild because it has a classical blend of 15% vitamin C along with ferulic acid and vitamin E along with brightening ingredients like niacinamide and glutathione. It outperforms ELF. But if you are looking for a skin brightening action as well, then you have two choices. Brinton is better if you are looking for detan and improving your uneven skin tone because it has a malolite DCX blend which helps in skin lightening. But if you are looking for improvement in dull and textured skin, especially if you have a thick male-like skin, robust skin, then go for FCL because it has 25% ethyl ascorbic acid along with fruit extracts that help in exfoliation. We have skipped the skin aspired vitamin C serum because one of the ingredient list shows that it has DM hydantoin which is a unsafe preservative.
Let's move on to now category A serum. They contain L-ascorbic acid. This is the most potent form. However, it is not for you if your skin is prone to acne, if it gets sensitive. अगर आप retinol AHAs को easily tolerate कर सकते हो, then this is the category you should opt for. But unfortunately, lot of premium brands put this L-ascorbic acid in a dropper packing. It's going to oxidize. Please don't use these brands. You're wasting your money. Only 2 brands are using a ampule packing. One is the Dermaco. The focus of Dermaco is to hydrate and plump because it has a very good blend of hyaluronic acid along with 15% vitamin C. But guys, remember to close the ampule tightly. And the second option is Medicube. Medicube has a boatload of plant extracts which help in skin repair. However, it might not suit everyone. But if you're looking for a more even skin tone, then Medicube is a better option. Also, the Ordinary's 23% vitamin C serum is a very affordable option for males for robust skin, but do apply at night and do a test patch before using it. I hope this video was helpful. अगर आपको फिर भी कोई क्वेरी है, प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दें। और एक ऐसी ही क्वेरी जो अक्सर लोग पूछते हैं कि विटामिन सी सीरम क्या एक्ने प्रोन स्किन या पिगमेंटेशन में यूज कर सकते हैं, इसका आंसर मैं नेक्स्ट रील में दूंगी, तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना।